In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your X account to Grok. By the end, you'll have your account linked and ready to go, so Grok can securely access the information it needs to work the way you expect. You should already be on the screen where the X option is visible. Right there, you'll see the Connect button next to X. Go ahead and click Connect. That single click is the main action you need to take here. After you click Connect, you'll be guided through on-screen prompts. A small window may open or your page may briefly redirect. Just follow what you see. You might be asked to confirm that you want to link your X account to Grok. If you're signed into X already, it may show your current account and ask you to continue. If you're not signed in, it may ask you to log in first. This is normal and helps X verify that it's really you. As you proceed, you'll likely see a short list of permissions Grok is requesting. Take a moment to read them so you understand what's being shared. These permissions enable the connection to function properly. If you use two-factor authentication on X, the prompt may ask for your verification code before moving on. Enter it when requested so the connection can complete. While you're following the prompts, keep the window open and avoid refreshing the page. If nothing appears after you click Connect, it can be due to a pop-up being blocked. In that case, check your browser's pop-up indicator and allow the prompt to open so you can continue. If you have more than one X account, use the option in the prompt to switch to the correct one before you confirm. Once you approve the connection, the prompt will close automatically and you should see a confirmation back in Grok. The status next to X will update to show that it's connected, and you may notice the account name or a visual indicator that everything is linked. That's it. Your X account is now connected. To quickly recap, you're starting on the page where X is visible, you click Connect, and then you simply follow the on-screen prompts until you see the confirmation. If at any point something looks different, just keep following what the screen asks for, since the prompts are designed to guide you step by step. You've successfully connected your X account to Grok. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your new connection.